Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are learning ayah number ayah number 118 of Surah Al-Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا بطانة من دونكم لا يألونكم خبالا ودوا ما عنتم قد بدت البغضاء من أفواههم وما تخفي صدورهم أكبر قد بينا لكم الآيات إن كنتم تعقلون. Yeah, 4 counts long, and the sound of ya should be very soft. There shouldn't be sound into it. Yeah, it's 4 counts long. Okay, ay hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with ya. And as you will touch ya when you are joining hamza with ya, this is the place where you will create nabar, and nabar is active when there is tashdid on ya. Oh wow. So you can see ya with tashdid. So you will apply a number, and number is the jump of sound. Ay, you. And for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. You, hal, hamza, for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam, hal, la is short. The 2 counts long. Na, short. Hamza is 2 counts long. Hamza is different. Alif is different. So the makhraj should be very much clear when you're saying this Hamza from your throat and this Alif from your jaw. Ma is short. Nu for Dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. La, 2 counts long. Ta, for ta is attached. Ta, ta. Very clear and sharp sound because this is what shidda. Ta, khi. Ha is heavy for kasra, give e sound. Du, 2 counts long. Circle your lips very well. Di for kasra, give e sound. Ta is the most heaviest letter in Quran. So lift your tongue up nicely and make it heavy very nicely. Bi, na is short. Tam. Idgham with gunna, so you are creating akmal gunna here. Tam, min, then ikhfa comes, and you are hiding the sound of noon, going towards the makhraj of dal, and not saying noon, and keeping the sound in your nose. Meh, keep your tongue straight because this is light ikhfa. Do is 2 counts long. Ni for kasra, give e sound. Kum for the circle your lips, attach with meme, you will get zipper of the wasat. Kum, la, 2 counts long. Yeah, for yeah, it's very soft, attached with hamza, and yeah, this will get shidda, so the sound cuts off. Yeah, lu is 2 counts long. Na, short. Kum for the circle your lips, attached with meme, you will get zip off the wasat. Kum, kha is heavy. Ba, 2 counts long. Kha, ba, long. Idgham with gunna, so you keep creating akmal gunna. Long, wad, do, wow is attached with two, dal, and then it is 2 counts long. What do, ma, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat. Squeeze your throat very nicely so you can manage to say ain. For fatha, the sound is very short. Ni for kasra, give e sound. Ni, say ni first and then attach with ta. Ni, tum. Shidda sound, very sharp. Nit, tum. Qad, off for foot. Open your jaws. And make off heavy, attach with dal. Make off heavy only, not dal. Qad. We tend to make the next letter heavy too, but be very careful. Say off heavy, but not dal. Qad. Qad. Ba is short. Da short. Bada. Til for kasra. Ease and attach with lam. Lam will get sif of the wasut. Say ti first and then attach with lam. Til ba is light, but ghain is heavy. Ba and ghain will get sifa of rakhawa, and that will be heavy too. Ba heavy and 4 counts long. U is very sharp and separate from this mud. So don't merge hamza into in this mud. Do u is very sharp sound and it is separate. Min izhar with tawassut. Min f hamza is very sharp attached with fa. Fa will get humps, very nice humps. F wa for waw circle ellipse to make it 2 counts long. He short and very e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with mim gets sifat tawassut. Him wa for wow for tha open your jaws, and the sound is very short. Ma 2 counts long. Tuh for the ma circle ellipse attached with kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa and the sound will be heavy. Tuh fi is 2 counts long. Su for the ma circle ellipse, the sound is very short. Do is 2 counts long. Oru for the ma sound is short. Sudu hum for the ma circle ellipse attached with mim will get sifa of tawassut. Ak for fatha open your jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums. Ak ba will be light, but ra will be heavy. Why I'm saying ba light? Because we tend to make other letters heavy too when we are saying any letter heavy, but we are making ra heavy, not ba. And ra will get sifa of tawassut too. Akbar. Qad. Qaf is heavy for fatha open your jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Qad. Bay. Ba, when you're attaching ba with ya, this is the place where you will create never a number is a jump of sound. Bay yan akmal gunna na 2 counts long. Akmal gunna unnun. Bay yan la short. Kum for the ku mul for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mul 2 counts long. Yat. You are creating madarat lisakun, so make this 4 counts long and give hums on ta. Ayat. Ing hamza is very sharp and create ikhfa, and that is light ikhfa. Keep your tongue straight and make the sound as you are about to say ink. Ink. Can you feel the difference of ikhfa with kaf and ikhfa with ta? Yes, there is a lot of difference. So make notes. In kuntum for fatha open your jaws attached to the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and make sure you pronounce it from your throat. Squeeze your throat well, so the sound of ain should be nice. Taqi. Qaf is heavy, and for kasra give e sound. The sound is very short. Lun. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.